morning. I've been hiking for about 45 minutes now, and I'm having a much better day today already. Even though I didn't sleep well last night and I really pushed myself to my limit yesterday, it's amazing that my body can kind of bounce back and I can hike again today. It's just kind of funny how I can push myself every day and still show up the next day and do it again. So today is going to be good. Just a 10-mile hike into town, and I'm really looking forward to it. Of course, that doesn't come without a couple hurdles. I have 2 mountains to summit and descend before I get into town today. But it's gonna be beautiful. I've been enjoying New York, even though I had a rough day yesterday. I can't believe just how, I don't know, it's just a really pretty state, and it feels very different from the other states that I've been through so far. Another thing I wanted to comment on is the Canadian wildfires, and the smoke from that has started to affect the views here. It's been hazy. It was really hazy yesterday, and again today I can tell that it's hazy. So yesterday I didn't think too much of it, but last night in my tent I was on the weather app, and it said that there was an air pollution warning. That's funny. So I clicked on that and I realized we're under an air pollution warning for the Canadian wildfires, the smoke from that. And then I realized, oh, this haze that I'm seeing is from that. So that's kind of an interesting thing. Other than a little bit of haze, I haven't noticed anything else. So anyways, just hiking today. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good morning. I'm still glad to be out here and looking forward to it. Not sure if you can tell in this video here, but even the sun isn't shining as bright because of the haze. You can look out here and maybe you can tell, maybe not. Definitely smoky though today. Here we go, 1,400 miles. Always fun to hit the 100-mile marks. 1,400 feels like a big number. It's really exciting. I'm just so proud of myself to do this. I'm not athletic. I've never been a super outdoorsy person, and I can hike 1,400 miles. So it's just really cool to just have a goal and set out and accomplish it. And it's, amazing what determination and grit and a little bit of stubbornness will do. So I always love these milestones. I always celebrate them and take a moment to reflect on how far I've come. Okay, so I made it up my first mountain. I think it's called West Side Mountain. And I have to head down and then head up Bear Mountain. And as I was standing here looking out at the view, I noticed an observation tower at the next mountain over. I'll show you. All right, I'm gonna zoom in. And right in the middle there, I think is an observation tower. I think that's gonna be Bear Mountain, the next mountain that I climb up. We'll see when I get there. I'm showing this on video, but I'm not sure you'll be able to appreciate just how foggy, smoky it is. It's kind of unreal. Made it to Bear Mountain. Here's the observation tower. Not sure if I can go up it. You're supposed to be able to see New York City from here, but there's no way that's happening with the smoke. All right, hiking through the zoo. This is the lowest point of the trail. Putting this in the video for you, Mom.
Oh man.
Got a bobcat going.
I am going through.
Little one. Yeah. Dad told me, I think, about it. Black bear. That's not a black bear.